Guys, welcome back. So today we're going to update this color. Now to achieve this color, I first used the high color highlights, but today we're going to refresh it using just the high color, and I'm going in with the shade Intense Red with 40 volume developer, but I'm pretty sure the box tells you to use like 20 or 30, but I like to use the highest. But 40 isn't the highest, but I like to use 40 just so the color can process faster. So I've done this process 2 times before the one that you're seeing. And of course, since I used the highlights, the hair had a bunch of different dimensions, and now I just want an all over color that's the same, so that's why I'm going in with just a high color. But you guys, the hair that I'm using is from her hair company. This is the Brazilian wavy hair. This hair took the color really well. I'm pretty sure this hair is over 9 months old and it's still moving and shaking, girl. It's still flowing with the wind. But I'm not a professional, so of course use my advice or my tips at discretion and do what's best for you and your hair. If you want to see how the color will come out before you just dive right in and do your whole head, then cut some pieces of your hair and do some test swatches just to see how it will come out, to see if it'll damage your hair. Since we're not bleaching it, this isn't that damaging, but of course we're still stripping the hair some sort. So I'm just going to show you guys how I apply the color on the hair. I'm not going to do the entire head because it takes a minute, but you get the gist of how to mix your color and how to apply it on your hair. You just want to make sure that you evenly coat all of the hair. I did use about 3 boxes to do the whole head, and I think I let the color sit on the hair for probably 45 minutes to an hour. So here's the final result of the coloring. This is what the hair looks like in its natural state. It is a wavy texture, and in my first video I showed you guys me curling the hair, so I decided to show you guys me straightening the hair so you can see how versatile the hair is. The hair straightens really easy. I am doing the comb chase method and I'm using my flat iron on 440 degrees I believe, but this is my favorite hair. Like, this is one of my favorite hair textures. It's just so easy, it's so versatile. It holds a curl really well. Like, before I went in and colored this hair again, I had curls in this hair for probably like 3 weeks. So we all know I don't braid my hair under my wigs. I just slap on a wig cap and tuck it under. But as my hair is getting a little bit longer, it's getting a little harder to do, like, the tuck and it look decent. It gets puffy. So I think over the summertime I am gonna start braiding my hair up and wigging it out, because it's been raining here and it's so humid outside. Like, my natural hair cannot survive. So we about to get back into these wigs, okay? Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.